Yesterday was a great day for bulls, but today was no less. It was, of course, the magnitude was lower, but second day in a row, markets have done well.
Absolutely. The midweek cheer continued. So a wonderful Wednesday, if you will, on the Lal Street. As you saw, the bulls which continue to maintain the grip. And what's more, we conquered the 11,000 mark and managed to shut sharp above the 11,050 level. So a firm game on the index. You had the Sensex as well powering through 193 points by the time we shut sharp, 36,636. In the broader end of the market, well, that is definitely showing you, the true sentiment as we are continuing to see a follow through. May have ebbed off from the high point of the trading day, but those indices continue their outperformance. Yet again, a healthy market breadth at hand, and you had support coming in from across the board, be it energy, pharmaceuticals, infrastructure, real estate, or even the PSU banks, which were active in trade today. You had media, though, as an index, as well as the auto space that was a tad tempered in today's trading session. Well, top gainer today, and that was follow-through activity from yesterday. So BPCL managed to hold out very smartly. Bajaj Finance shut shop at 27.66. Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, those were key pillars of strength. Vedanta, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, all of those IT stocks that were lagging behind yesterday made quite a comeback today. Dr. Reddy's, HDFC, and of course ITC managed to hold out. On the downside, though, Z Entertainment dragged its feet, which is why the media index as well was tempered. Tata Motors in reverse gear, something like Axis Bank, HUL, HCL Technologies, as well as Indiabulls Housing Finance were weak links in trade today. Lots of stocks in news. DHFL powered through. Khabar on D Street, as sources are indicating that it is keen on selling their retail lending book. They've been approached by key lenders as well for the possibility of the same, and that kept the stock quite upbeat. ITC, meantime, Morgan Stanley maintained an overweight with a target at 320. They believe the cigarette price hikes will drive the stock. The US Fed truck sales, Class 8 truck sales down 58% on year, and that had a bearing on Bharat Forge. It came in at about 16,700 units, and that stock sulked in trade today. Maruti HSBC maintained a hold, but they're talking about some headwinds. The management as well has acknowledged that there will be sluggishness up until the elections, and they plan to hold production of the BS4 compliant variants. Meantime, you had Edelweiss in focus, CDPQ going to invest close to $250 million, and this is going to be in the NBFC arm. Meantime, Lakshmi Vilas was on fire as ET Now exclusive sources indicated that Indiabulls Housing is leading the race to buy a minority stake in the company. From the broader end of the market, J&K Bank really fired up the screen. You had Dredging Corp leading from the front. Dilip Bilkon yet again was very active. Something like New India Assurance, Praj Industries, Eveready, Indian Bank, Infibeam had a terrific run, and safe to say that the momentum is definitely intact on the Lal Street.